Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to announce that me and my sister Sandy are starting a new venture called Quartz Marketing and Interior Design. We will be adding it as a segment to this channel, but we have our own Instagram page called Quartz MID, so please follow us. So what you can expect are some quick interior design tips and tricks, some renovation projects, and some do-it-yourself projects and more.
Hey guys, it's Sandy, and today we are so excited to bring you the first ever Rose Quartz MID episode. On today's episode, we're going to turn this space into this space.
Alright guys, so we thought it would be really nice to just start off from our home. We're going to be transforming our mom's office. She currently works from home and she runs multiple companies. She usually spends a majority of her time in this space, so we had to keep that in mind. The space alone is a den and it's 9 by 10, and one of the issues was that it had a bay window with a rise.
When renovating a space like this, there are certain things that you might have to keep. In this instance, we had to keep 3 printers, a computer setup, and a large filing cabinet. As you can see, here's 2 of them, and here's the 3rd printer. Look at Milo, even he's not impressed.
So the first thing we did was declutter everything. When you have a space like this, you want to really organize everything and then slowly start taking out the furniture. The previous workspace was very dark and made the space look very small. So once we took that out, we drew up a plan and went to Ikea. With Ikea, we made some measurements online and then we found some pieces that worked best for the space. We also incorporated some white features because it made the space look a lot larger. So this particular bookcase is the calyx piece and it worked perfectly. When it comes to details, we wanted to focus on storage and workspace, and we also used a mirror to make the space look larger. So here's what we came up with in more detail.
Remember that filing cabinet that we had to keep? Well, we placed it here. And we also added in this cabinet for some storage space. Along with that, we added one of the printers back in and added in corkboard and magnetic boards that we had from before.
Remember in the corner where there was that dark desk and it just took up so much space? Well, we took that out and added the calyx system there. With this, we have some additional storage. Got these bins from Ikea as well, and they fit perfectly. We also added in different elements of color, so we did some gold, grays, and little specks of pink. We also had everything labeled, so inside you're able to find everything exactly where it is. On top, we added another printer. We added this one here because it's a bit more stylish. We added this little decorative tray, which is from Canadian Tire.
We added a circular mirror from HomeSense in order to bring some light into the room, and we used these black shelves from Ikea in order to bring some symmetry for the wall. You can always change up your decorative pieces. Here we got these storage books from HomeSense and added them into the space. Believe it or not guys, we were able to put in 2 different workstations in the space. Here's a tip: when you want the floor area to look larger, incorporate a stool that you can easily tuck in underneath the desk.
We want to add some feminine touches as well, so we incorporate that pink throughout the space. And right here, if you check underneath the desk, there's a 3rd printer. We have all of this workspace, and then we also added these curtains to the area above the window. And here's a tip: if you have a window like this, add the curtain all the way to the top and it makes the room look a lot taller. For this space, one of our biggest issues was having that rise there, so we actually used it to our advantage. We took a desktop from Ikea and added that with 2 legs in the front and then customized 2 legs in the back from a local wood shop. This really helped us utilize our space to its maximum ability. Alright guys, so this wraps up today's episode. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure that you follow us on Instagram on Quartz MID. You can also follow Capture Eye Studio if you're interested in makeup and hair looks. And please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel and please leave us a comment down below letting us know what was your favorite part of this makeover. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.